Hello dear viewers and welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let me teach you how to manage manufacturing products using the manufacturing app. Our first step is to tell Odoo that this product can be manufactured. This is done on the product page itself. For that, first open your manufacturing app. So this is the manufacturing. Then head over to the products menu and select products once more. Here you can either select an existing product you want to manufacture or click new to create a brand new one. So for this example, I'll pick an existing product. So let it be this acoustic block screen. Okay. So here you have a product over here, which is acoustic block screen. And once you're on the product page, you have to go to the inventory tab. So you will see a section called the operations where you have to simply enable the checkbox for manufacture. This small but mighty click tells Odoo, hey, this product isn't just bought or sold, we make it ourselves. Now an important optional step. Once again, let me repeat, it's an optional step for traceability. So assign lot or serial number for this. So if you go to the general information, you can see track inventory. You can actually track it by unique lot or serial number or even lots. As I said before, this is a optional thing. Okay. So let it be quantity itself. Now, if you go to the inventory tab of the product page, you can see all such things. So let it be there. Now, in the tracking field, you have two options. See, here you have two options other than quantity, which is by unique serial number. So if each product or each individual products needs a unique identifier like electronics appliances or bespoke items, or select by lots if you produce batches of identical products that share a single lot number. It might be great for food items, chemicals, or garments from the same products run. Now, enabling this lot and serial number field directly on your manufacturing, it will activate a lot and serial number field directly on your manufacturing order or a register production. So, instruction on your work order cards in the shop floor app, making tracking seamless during the production. So, all right, the core of manufacturing configuration, that is the bill of materials or BOM. That's what we are going to talk about next. So, you can just set this inventory to manufacture and save it. Okay. Now, this is essential for your product's recipe, detailing all the components and operations required to build it. So from your product page, check on the bill of materials. So here, if you click, you can see the bill of materials, smart button at the top. So this will show you the existing BOMs or let you create a new one. You have the existing one. So if you want to create a new one, click on new and you can configure a fresh BOM. So on the new BOM form, notice the product field. It will auto-populate with your selected product, and in the quantity field, you can specify how many units this specific BOM will reproduce. For instance, if this recipe makes 10 units, then you can specify 10. So you put 10 units over here. And if this product has any variants, that can be also mentioned over here. Next, we add the ingredients. Okay, that is the components. So select the components tab and click on add a line. So components can be anything. I am just adding screw. Okay. And you can choose the component from the drop down menu and enter the quantity required. So I'm giving 1 screw is required. That is 1 unit. And then you have one more. I'll just add one more thing, which is bolt. Okay. So 2 products or 2 components I've added. So if your product needs 2 screws and bolts, then you have to specify that and then continue. Okay, until all your components are done, you can simply continue. And now for the how to part of this recipe, the operations. Okay, so this tells Odoo the step involved in manufacturing. So if you go to the operations tab, you can click add a line over there, and this will open the create operations pop-up window. And in the operation field, you have to give a clear name like cutting fabric, stitching assembly, or quality check. So I'll simply give it to cutting objects, or maybe something like that. A random name can be given. Okay, then from the work center drop down, select where this operation will be carried out. Like it can be a cutting station, assembly one, drill one. So I'm putting it to drill one. Then once you have done, you can save and close to add this operation, and close the window, or save and add a new one if you have more operations to add. So you have the duration, the default duration and all given over here, and the worksheet, in what format the worksheet should be, as a Google slide, text or PDF. So if you don't see the operation tabs in the uh, BOM form, it means the work order setting isn't enabled. So you have to quickly go to the manufacturing modules configuration settings and then tick the work orders. So I'm saving and closing it. Okay, so ready for manufacturing orders, and there you have it. With your product configured, the manufacturer root, active, optional, traceability setup, and a comprehensive bill of materials in your place. So your product is now fully ready to be manufactured in Odoo 18. So you can go ahead now and create a new manufacturing order, knowing Odoo has all the ingredients and instructions it needs. So if this guide helped you to set up your products for manufacturing, please give it a thumbs up. What other Odoo 18 manufacturing topics would you like me to cover? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Odoo tutorials. See you in the next one.